Welcome to our channel, your daily source for high-quality product insights. If you're on the hunt for the best e-ink tablet, you're in the right place. We upload informative videos daily, offering you valuable ideas about a wide range of products. Stick around to find out which e-ink tablet stands out from the rest. And hey, if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's dive in. Number 1. Onyx Bookstab Ultra C. If you're looking for color, you won't find finer than this 10.3-inch tablet. The screen offers a maximum resolution of 2480 by 1860 pixels, 300p, in black and white, the highest on our list. This drops down to 1240 by 930, 150p, in color, but you're still getting a lot of picture detail. And overall, publications look great even in sunlight, thanks to the anti-glare coating on the screen. I also appreciated being able to adjust brightness and color temperature between -15 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius. Like the other Onyx tablets on this list, this doubles as an Android tablet, albeit with Android 11 rather than the latest version, 12. Other highlights include the generous 128 GB of internal storage, the ability to add a microSD up to 1 TB, and a document camera which lets you photograph documents and turn them into digital text. Number 2. Onyx Bookstab X. Is size important to you? Then the Onyx Bookstab X has a 13.3-inch display that will give you ample space to read, write, take notes and doodle on. And that's not all, it also has by far the best specs of any e-ink tablet on the market today. So why doesn't it top our list? Quite simply, because it's so darned expensive, coming in at around $1,000 a time of writing. If you have money to spare, though, it's well worth considering. The big, beautiful screen means it's great for reading large format publications like reference books, newspapers and magazines. And the size also makes a huge difference when you're annotating PDFs, especially if you're using the split screen features. More generally, the included stylus offers an authentically paper-like experience. The Qualcomm Snapdragon processor combined with 6 GB of RAM means everything happens quickly and smoothly, with zero lag. And the 6300 mAh battery is claimed to be the biggest on any e-ink device, keeping you going for weeks on end. Number 3. Amazon Kindle Scribe. Most students will want an e-ink tablet primarily for reading, with the option of taking notes related to the book, essay or research paper in question. If that sounds like you, then we recommend the Kindle Scribe. As you'd expect from the iconic Kindle brand, the Scribe has an evenly lit, 300p display with crisp, clear text that's perfect for reading. Of course, it's beautifully integrated with the Kindle library. Plus it also offers a decent paper-like experience when note-taking with the included stylus, with 18 notebook templates. On the downside, the features and functionality here are pretty limited compared to other tablets on this list. Most significantly, the Kindle Scribe can't turn handwriting into text. Also, while you can write directly onto PDFs, you can't write directly onto books and documents. You have to add a digital equivalent of a sticky note instead. Number 4. Onyx Note Air 2 Plus. Want an e-reader that you can also take notes on? Then our top recommendation is the Onyx Note Air 2 Plus. With a fabulous 10.3-inch display, it works brilliantly for note-taking. It has a definite paper-like feel, making it more like writing on real notepad, and can turn your handwriting into text pretty accurately. It comes with a battery-free stylus, and the rechargeable 3700 mAh battery keeps the tablet itself going for weeks on a single charge. This tablet boasts a USB-C port for charging, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and it doubles as a full-blown tablet, running Android 11. That means you can use apps from the Google Play Store, and while that's not always a great experience on an e-ink screen, it does give you a broader range of note-taking apps than the, admittedly very good, onboard one. Number 5. Pocketbook eBook Reader. Short on cash? At a fraction of the cost of the Onyx Bookstab X, the Pocketbook eBook Reader is the cheapest on our list. But it still boasts some impressive specs for the price, including 16 GB of storage, a high screen resolution of 300p and a color screen. You also get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, Dropbox integration and support for a wide variety of EPUB files. On the downside, the 1,900 mAh battery won't last you many days, and it takes some time to charge via micro USB. It's not a full Android tablet, although there are onboard apps for things like note-taking, text-to-speech and a calculator. And that screen is pretty small, At just 6 inches in diameter, although at the same time this does make the device wonderfully light, at just 159 grams, and portable. So given the low price, overall I'd say this e-ink tablet represents excellent value.